Mommy, look! So many toys!
I see, sweetie. It's magical.
Can we go there? Mom, look! There's a teddy bear in that window! Oh, and a candy shop! Can we go there? Please, please, please?
We will, sweetheart. But first, I need to buy something from the clothing store. It will only take 5 minutes, okay?
Okay, Mom. 5 minutes.
What about this one for the party? That's a great choice.
Wow, look at the unicorn! Wow, that unicorn is so beautiful. It's right there. I'll just look for 1 second. Mom won't even notice. Oh, you're so soft. Wait, where's the clothing store? Mom! 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 I don't know where I am. I'm lost. Don't cry, Lily. If you get lost, don't move. Find someone safe. Ask for help. He looks safe. He's wearing a uniform. Okay, Lily. You can do this. Be brave.
Hey there, little one. Are you okay?
I can't find my mom. I walked away and now I don't know where she is. I'm lost.
Okay, that's all right. You did the right thing. You came to ask for help. That was very brave of you.
Really? I don't feel brave. I feel scared.
You know what? You're scared, but you try anyway. And that's exactly what you just did. Now, can you tell me your name?
My name is Lily.
And what's your mom's name?
Sarah Johnson. A blue jacket, white shoes, and a brown bag.
Wow, Lily. That's a very good description. You're a smart girl. Okay, let me call my team right now. Attention all staff. We have a little girl named Lily at the information desk near the fountain. She's looking for her mother.
Sarah Johnson.
While we wait, would you like to draw something?
Okay. Do you think she's looking for me?
Oh, Lily, I'm absolutely sure to you right now. Mom Bonds.
Daniel, we found her. The mother is on her way to the information desk now. She's running.
Did you hear that, Lily? Your mom is coming.
Oh, my baby. I was so worried about you, okay? Are you hurt? I was so scared.
No, Mom. I'm okay. I'm sorry I walked away.
I'm not angry, sweetie. So sorry. I'm just was so scared.
I was scared too, Mom. But I remembered what you told me. You said, don't move. Find someone safe. Ask for help. So I found him.
No need to thank me. Your daughter is a very brave girl. She came to me all by herself and gave me a perfect description of you. You should be very proud of her.
I am. I'm so proud of her.
You were scared, but you asked for help. That makes you one of the bravest people I've met in this mall. And I've been working here.
Come on, sweetheart. Let's go home.
Bye, Mr. Daniel. Thank you.
Bye, Lily. Stay brave.
Mom,
Yes, sweetheart.
next time we go to the mall, can
I
I?
hold your hand the whole time.
Good.